Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Microsoft Excel. Today I am going to introduce a small tool which is very useful for different departments, especially when users want to split data into multiple sheets. It can be finance, human resources, sales, marketing. Different departments may use it, right? Okay, here is a sample data. So you can take your data from your sheet and just paste over here and then somewhere here. So I copy it in B6 onward. I have around 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, around 13 columns. You can have more or less, and whatever column names will be there or field names, you can put it over there. Okay, now how it works. Since it will create multiple sheets for each unique value of that column which you will select. So for example, if I select this region, I have to keep in the heading or header whichever I want. So let's say, for example, if I have to create for region, I don't know how many regions are there. So what it will do, it will take all these unique values under this region column. It will create sheets with that name, with that each name, and then it will take data of each value. So let's say, for example, this region is Punjab, so it will take all Punjab data and it will copy paste into that sheet, right? So another example can be, if I select product and I will just click this button, what it will do, it will take each product and will copy paste to that relevant sheet. Please keep in mind, these values shouldn't be too many, otherwise you can be out of memory, because there is no limit of sheet creations in a workbook. It depends on all your memory, RAM, right? Okay, for as an example, let me take it the region. So I will click the region, and just for your information, I have around 20,000 records. Let me show you, so you will get such sort of comfort level. So it's 5 rows on the top, they have blank, so around 20,000. So these are 20,000, right? Okay, now let me click region, and you notice the time, how much it will take to split based on each region and create a separate sheet, right? So first it is telling me, based on column unique values, 4 sheets will be created. So there are 4 regions it has found. It has created one log sheet in next to the data sheet. So if you will click yes, it will create and copy the data. If you will click no, it will exit, right? So I am clicking yes, I am accepting it, go ahead. So I am just giving you example. Let's say, for example, if this it is showing your values, unique values are 20,000, maybe you selected ID column, so their uniqueness is each value is a unique value, so there is no grouping or categorization or products. So ideally you will select no, because you will not create 20,000 sheets, right? Okay, yes, right? Process completed. Free tool by www.erpstuff.com. Thanks. So it's a free tool, and you can select OK, and if you have to contact, you have this email address, and click OK. Let's see what happened. Okay, log is showing the above mentioned list showing all new sheets created. So ideally 4 sheets should be created. If you see here, there are 4 sheets, right? So I will go to Punjab. So all Punjab data is copied, although it was not sorted here. If you see here, Punjab is here, then Sindh, and Punjab, but it will take all the data of Punjab. So here it is only Punjab data. If you see here, it's only Punjab, right? And all columns are auto fit. So if values are bigger, so it will auto fit as well. So for Sindh, again Sindh, KPK, Balochistan, right? Okay, let's take another example. If I will click product, column, I have to click in header, not here down. Okay, header. Okay, now I will click this. It should create these number of product sheets and copy the data. Yes. Okay, click OK. If you see, we have now product sheets and each product data with the same sheet name created. Okay. Now in the same file, or example, let me select city, because I think cities are more, around, if I'm not wrong, 24, something like that. Let's see. So I have created for region, I have created for product in the same workbook. I'm just creating. Okay, here it's 29 sheets, right? So I'm giving go ahead. So let's see. Right, if you see here, see here, Okada. So if I click Okada, if you see here, all city data of Okada is displayed here, right? So if I want, let's say for example on category, so still I can do it here over here. Let's see how many categories are there. 3. So yes, right. There can be possibility, let's say for example you have financials data and you have company and cost center. So you have multiple companies and cost centers. So what you can do, in one cell you can concatenate both values or both columns, and based on that you can just make a process. Let's say for example company and cost center. So you can concatenate, let's say for example you have value 111 dot 1 2 3 4 5 cost center, or up to 1 2 3. This I am giving you Oracle e-business suite example. So if you do this one, what it will do, it will create each sheet with this name, right, and will copy the data accordingly, right. You can view the source and the Visual Basic. It is here, written over here. Right, it's a free tool, so you can use it, you can practice it, and please share your feedback. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.